I don't dey see and say, the more they break, the more federal governments they trigger problem for this country. Ever since it be say, I beg, I see they ask this question: which accounts now they promote Boko Haram? How many accounts now governments don't freeze for those that go abroad go keep our money? Federal government on a define war. On a define war from the youth. And let me tell you something. If this war on the trigger, if this time around, if the thing starts, I pity for Nigeria. Because Nigeria will shed tears. Nigeria will cry. Blood go touch ground. The one I do for 2 gates, that one they learn. No. You see the problem. Only una they freeze our account. Una freeze our account in January. Only government they key Igbos for protect courts. The same government wanna hide our palliatives. Although now they locate people when they carry palliatives, they arrest them. But when not feel locate them, wanna give them palliatives during coronavirus time. Only una our request for the protests, only una never answer them. Only una they talk, say una wants to regulate social media, and during una campaign, una no regulate social media. Only una they find people that they arrest, but all una will be thieves when they carry our money. When they thief our money, one person they use like 10 cars. Senator they pay senator how many million naira. Una they never arrest una. Nigeria they cry silently because if una know what thing go happen, the next one federal government una go use una brain, una go use una konuche. Youths are not lazy. Youths are no longer fools. I they bite finger for the next protest when it go happen. Senators, politicians, I they pity for una. Una they disturb us. Una they toy with our peace. Una they hit our head with hammer. The hammer we go break the hammer soon. No, we go break the hammer. When they go house to houses, they arrest people. Una won't build more prison. Police when they die, they pay una. But youth when they die, they pay una. IG, they call you all the time. You the day won't spoil this country. You dare not pray won't spoil the country, but I will surprise you, say your own northerners. They will fight against you soon. Wash, belt me. Buhari. Now for sure that you go eat your dead body. The one it go happen so because we will locate you. For sure, and go eat your dead body for streets. Sanwo-Olu, Lagos State Governor, you are biting more than what you can chew. You they warn us against protests. You give police power. May they warn us against protests. And you, Mr. Sanwo-Olu, you they support the protests. You they kill us and you they support us. Oga, Mr. Governor, be careful. You say you support the protests, but now you see the plan they against us. Oga, be careful. See, Wike, Port Harcourt State Governor, if the lives of Igbos we don't die for that place, if the high pass what they happen so, maybe Port Harcourt they go end down. Oga, nobody unite first. They won't find peace. Nobody they won't secure your state too. You do overdo them. The lives of my brothers, they play with them. If you not take time, you see Port Harcourt, you see rivers, you go end for your own crow eye like this. Gone are those days when we will be thieves, bad leaders. Una don't eat rich. Time don't reach when I'll tell you vomit down. Wanna be careful. Osibanjo. If you know that seat don't tire you, retire before it's too late. Many bad leaders for this country, vultures go eat their dead body for streets. When it go happen again. See, una know what it day. Una they find our trouble. Una they remove food from our mouths. Police, they eager. Say make you una go fight against protests. Una go kill, una go tire. But una go die. Una go die like Sarah. Wanna be careful. Nigeria government, all these things that happen so has been seen in a vision before now. Wanna be careful. Our request, we see the weights. When they use brain, they create social problem for us. The newspaper they carry. When I want to regulate social media. Now thunder. Now you go strike the person. Desmond Elliot, you go die miserable deaths. Now you aggregate, now you they generate this social media stuff. You go die miserable deaths. I make I tell you, federal government, if you like, freeze the accounts. If you like, leave the accounts. This second protest, not be even money matter. Now do and die. For Nigeria to be better, like go be the next protest. We not go even get sponsorer. Everybody will come out because even the aged woman and the aged man has felt the pains. When are they for Senate, they eat our money. When are they for House, they eat our money. But now we say the youths don't talk. When they find all means to silence us, now waste of time, none of it. If you like, close social media. If you like, close the accounts. CBN, if you not take time, banking sector, wanna be careful. Because when the time comes, wanna go record loss, don't go tire. Because now war. Federal government of Nigeria is beating a band, a drum of war. Even the little baby that is the mother womb is feeling the pains of federal governments. See, you people should be careful. You can locate the youths, the thugs, the hooligans. You can locate their doorstep, but you can't locate them with the palliatives. The man in charge of coronavirus period, Oga. You see those on TV and news for the talk. Oga, if you walk out enter streets, you are a dead man. If you walk out enter street, you are a dead man. Because vultures alone will eat your dead body without you being dead. You no go die before vultures go eat you. Vultures will from the sky and begin to eat you live. You hide our palliatives. But now it was located. Now you are looking for arrest. You even call for another coronavirus. That coronavirus and your generation and your family or your immediate family, now that coronavirus go end. Oga, for Minister of Health or whatever you call yourself, be careful. Then aviation agency, people should be very, very careful. Be very, very careful. Mr. Buhari, whether your ear is blocked, whether your ear is not blocked, Mr. Buhari, you better act fast. If you know so you don't die again. If you dare alive, speak out. Sorosuke. Because your country goes to turn upside down. Federal governments, be careful. Be careful.